Hi guys, my name is Delor and my overall IELTS score is 7. Today on this video I'm going to tell you 3 mistakes that students make in their preparation of learning English and how to fix them. The first mistake. Students will try to memorize 100 words in one day. Instead of memorizing 100 words in one day, it's best to learn 5 vocabulary and use them in real sentence. The second and common one is being afraid of mistakes. Many students stay silent because they don't want to sound wrong. Instead, speaking anyway is the best option. Even if you have a lot of mistakes, keep going because that mistakes will make you better. The third one, studying only grammar. Spending hours on rules instead of speaking, listening, is the worst time consuming ever. Instead, balance grammar with speaking, listening or writing. So guys, don't just study hard, study smart too. And also follow for more grammar tips and also IELTS tips.